Hello, my dear students. Welcome to online accountancy class. In this session, we are going to consider another numerical problem from the chapter Dissolution of Partnership Firm. This is our problem, numerical problem. Here, today we have to pass the journal entry to record the other transaction. Pass necessary journal entry to record the following unrecorded assets and liability in the books of Paras and Priya. Here there are like some unrecorded assets as well as liabilities are there. Now both the partners are going to close their business, and necessary entry we have to pass here. So this is the first transaction. There was old furniture in the firm which had written off completely in the books. It was sold for rupees 3,000. So it is a recovery of cash, inflow of cash. So very simple. You know that cash or bank account debit to what will be credit. Now we will take the help of realization to furniture. We cannot write here. Like here, second phase entry, inflow of cash entry. So when it is inflow of cash or bank account debit to realization, outflow of cash or bank reverse. That time when outflow, then realization to cash or bank. So once I repeat it. When inflow, then cash or bank account debit to realization, which asset being sold or which liability, that is immaterial. If inflow of cash or bank account debit to realization account. If outflow of cash, then opposite, that is realization account debit to cash or bank account. So this first one is over, cash or bank account debit to realization 3,000. Now, as is an old customer whose account of rupees 1,000 was written off as VAT in the previous year and paid 60% of the amount. An old customer, like bad debt arises, total amount it was 1,000. Now, at that time, 60% amount, here it is, recovered, there is inflow. So 1,000, there was 60%, that is here coming 600. It's another inflow of cash, so same way cash or bank account debit to realization. So once we can check this to like entry solution here. First one, cash or bank account debit to realization 3,000. Second one, cash and bank account debit to realization. Bad debt written up, now it is recovered 600. So this is the solution. Solution is the same way provided. Now third one, C. Transaction C. Paras agreed to take over the firm's goodwill, not recorded in the books of the firm, at a valuation of rupees 30,000. So here in this case is cash being not paid. One partner, that is active partner, want to take some asset, intangible asset, known of the asset, that is goodwill. When asset taken over, it is cash inflow is not there. Instead of cash or bank, they will put the respective partner's capital account. So Paras capital account debit to realization account. So number C here. Yes, it is Paras capital account debit to realization account. Asset taken over. Now next transaction D. There was an old typewriter which had been written off completely from the books. It was estimated to realize rupees 400, and it was taken by Priya at an estimated price of less than 25%. So though it is estimated 400, but one partner it is taken at less 25%. So 400 thereupon 25%. It is coming 100 rupees, 1/4, that is 100 rupees. 100 rupees discount, I have to minus it, and after that, then you have to pass asset taken over. So again the same way, by partner's capital account debit to realization account, and net amount 300. So here this is the entry. Yes. It will pass first capital account 300 to realization 300. Now one more here. goodwill taken over entry. There is an old typewriter. Okay. Now, so that will be the entry actually, like single entry, like Paras Capital, Priya's capital account debit to realization 300. Now, transaction E, there were 100 shares of rupees 10 each. That is 1,000 rupees in Star Limited acquired at a cost of rupees 2,000, which had been written up completely on the books. This share were valued at rupees 6 each and divided among the partners in their profit sharing ratio. So here the profit sharing ratio not mentioned, so it will be equal as per Indian Partnership Act 1932. If nothing mentioned regarding the profit sharing ratio of the partner, that time it is considered as a equal profit sharing ratio. Now ultimately 100 shares and it was value rupees 100 that time, 100 each, and it is invested in a particular company, that is Star Limited. So acquired a cost rupees 2,000, which had been written up completely from the books. Now this share were valued at rupees 6 each and divided among the partner in their profit sharing ratio. So 100 into 6, that is 100 into 6, that is 600 rupees, and it is divided equally, that is Paras and Priya. So that way, that is 300 is coming here. This is the entry, last entry. Paras capital account debit, Priya's capital account debit to realization account. So Paras capital 50%, Priya capital 50% 300, and to realization 600. Dispose of shares, it is considered value, present value 6 rupees. Earlier value it was 10, but now at present value it is 6. So on that value it is taken over. It is also one type of investment taken over. So shares on any particular company's investment, that is considered as an asset, and if asset take over, then that entry will be there, that partner's capital account debit. So as both the partners are taking here, so both the partner name, Paras capital as well as Priya's capital, both are debit to realization account. So this is the solution. The simple, like only journal entry, like 4 marks question, this type of question may can come. So once I repeat here, journal entry, this one like old furniture, now it is sold, so inflow of cash of bank account debit to realization. Second one, old customer, it was already written of bad debt, now it is recovered 60% of that amount, so 60% if you calculate 600 coming, it is another inflow. So again it is cash or bank account debit to realization. Now another like here goodwill on intangible asset, which is taken over by a particular partner, that is Paras, so it is asset taken over. So Paras capital account debit to realization, and this is the agreed value. Another asset taken over, that is typewriter, but estimated price though it is 400, but when one particular partner, that is Priya, is taking, that time 25% less. So 400, they are going to 25%, that is 100, so 300 net amount. So Priya's capital account debit to realization account. And in this case, is invest in shares, so that investment taken over by the partners at an agreed value of rupees 6 per share. So 100 share into 6, that is 600 equally, that is 300. Paras capital account debit, Priya's capital account debit to realization. So this is one simple solution which will help here, like this type of problem, 4 mark problem. So like last day we did in a long problem, but here today we are considering a little bit easy and short problem, preparation of journal entry or passing journal entries. Okay, then I am going to conclude this session, and I think it will help a little bit to remember the entries here. Sometime without opening realization account, only pass the journal entry we can come, so that way you can pass the entry here. Now if you want to, we can find out profit or loss on realization roughly, and that entry you can pass also, but related to this entry as it is asked in this question. So far we did here but past journal entry only mentioned, then we can also find out the profit and loss from realization, and that way we have to pass the entry. If profit is there, profit and realization, we know the entry. If loss is there, then also. In case of profit, realization to partner's capital. In case of loss, partner's capital to realization. Okay, thank you, and that's all.